That's ridiculously high. It's the stump of our tree on the floor down. My God. I could be buried right now. That's a incredible.